Hörmann's double-leaf hinged garage door, the NT60-2, allows you to maintain a classic look to the exterior of your property with the advantages of a high-quality finish, making it ideal when it comes to replacing older hinged doors. The exterior of this door has been finished in steel blue with the standard grey-white interior. However, there are also 15 other colour options, as well as 4 surfaces and 6 deco grain finishes to choose from. And if that's not enough, there are 200 additional RAL colours available. The door leaves are made from aluminium profiles with infill panels that have 42 millimetres of insulating foam sandwiched between 2 sheets of steel. And that provides great stability and a long service life. When it comes to the details, the hinges and the lever handle come in black as standard, but they're also available in a white or, as here, a natural aluminium finish. Now this door comes as standard with a mortise lock and a soft latch, but to provide higher levels of security, multi-point locking is also an option. Now, as you can see here, the door has been finished with horizontal panels, but it's also available with vertical panels. In addition, the door comes with a number of optional extras, including windows, hold-open devices and much, much more. So, if you're planning on replacing older hinged doors, Hörmann's NT60-2 garage door is the one for you.